If you're facing a Stripe payout error, it can prevent your funds from reaching your bank account, which is super frustrating. Yeah, this usually happens because of bank verification issues, account settings, or pending holds. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stripe payout errors fast. First, check the exact error message. Stripe will usually provide a code or description explaining why the payout failed. This helps you target the right fix. Next, make sure the bank account linked to Stripe is correct and verified. Incorrect account details or unverified accounts are the most common payout issues. Sometimes Stripe places a hold on funds due to disputes, chargebacks, or policy reviews. Check your dashboard to see if a hold is applied and follow the instructions. Make sure all your account info is complete and up to date. Missing details like tax information or business verification can block payouts. If everything looks correct, try retrying the payout. Sometimes a temporary bank or network issue can cause a one-time failure. And finally, if the payout still fails, contact Stripe support. They can provide detailed guidance and help resolve account or transaction-specific issues quickly. And that's it. One of these steps usually fixes Stripe payout errors so your funds can reach your bank safely. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.